Hi everyone, this is Marvin here. I'm at the shops at Jurupa Valley, just giving an update on this install of Electrify America DC fast charging site here. So when the shopping center opened a couple months ago, maybe a little over a year ago, these Tesla superchargers came in at that time, and so you can see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 17 or 18, 18, 20 supercharger stalls here, and they have about 12 destination chargers. So as I've mentioned before, I have a Leaf, so I use the destination chargers with an adapter. But it's an older Leaf, so I'm not able to use the supercharger. But the last 2 months or so, they've also been working here on this site. Now it's at first I thought it was just doing sewer work, but as it progressed, I'm down here charging my car, so I seen them working on it. So as they progressed, it became evident it was a new charging site. So, and it's Electrify America. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 10 stalls here for Electrify America. So that will be a total of 30 stalls here at this shopping center. The shops at Jurupa Valley, between the Electrify America site and the Tesla site. As you can see, plenty things to do around here. There's Aldi, there's Ono, Wine, there's Mattress Firm, there's a dentist here, there's Wingstop, there's Little Caesars, Chipotle, AT&T store. So yeah, it looks like they have 10 poles and maybe 20 cords, or is it 10 cords? Yeah, anyway, so it looks like these are going to be open within the next couple weeks. And so I know I'm going to be a little away for a few days, so I figured I'd jump out now and get a look at it before it comes open, and I guess we'll see how it turns out. As you can see, these pylons they ended up having to cut into the plant area, the little planter here, to install the bases for these, the footing for these chargers, and they also took out a couple parking spots, probably about 5 or 6, maybe at most, to put in the transformers and stuff here at this end. But it looks like they are almost done with the install, the physical install at least. Who knows how long it'll take them to actually get it turned on and approved. But yeah, this site should be coming online soon. And so if you're traveling here on State Route 60, this here in Jurupa Valley is at the exit that you can, I believe it's the Pyrite exit. Yeah, you get off of here at Pyrite and you come on down to that new shopping center, and you have your choice of a Tesla supercharger or the Electrify America, and we'll see, I guess, which one turns out to, how this turns out to be used. The Teslas do get busy. I've seen here, while I'm charging my Leaf, I've seen here all kinds of cars, Porsches, there's a Lightning charging right now. I see the GM work trucks charging all the time. Obviously all the Tesla products. Everything, Cadillac, the Lyrics, the Escalade EQs. I believe I've seen 1 or 2 of those. Just all kinds of other cars. There was a Leaf here earlier charging, the new Leaf charging as well, but it doesn't, or maybe it was an Aria. Don't remember now at this point, but everyone who can use the Tesla supercharger network uses it already, and soon they'll have the Electrify America option. So again, here in Jurupa Valley, this is, a lot of things to do. So by the time you, but certainly for sure for some of these spots, by the time you plug your car in, and especially for the newer cars, you plug your car in, walk over to Chipotle, order something, and then leave, you're going to be getting probably hit the limits of many of the newer cars on how fast they charge, especially if you decide to go inside and sit down. But that's going to be it for today. If you're driving on the 60 and you need somewhere to charge, the superchargers are already open. The Electrify America will be open soon. And if you have a few minutes, you can hop into destination chargers. They're actually free to charge. So I take liberal use of that every day, basically. But there are charging options coming online all the time. So have fun, drive electric, especially in these gas prices.